Hi friends, welcome to lesson 12.5. We only have a couple lessons left. So yesterday we were making graphs. Today our lesson is how to read a graph. It wants to know how many counters are in each category. Oh, excuse me. Something important to remember that friends get confused about sometimes is they count these ones here. These two counters are not inside the graph. See, this is where the graph starts. They're not inside. So we don't count these ones. So inside the graph, I see 1, 2, 3 red ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow ones. Trace the circle to show which category has more counters. And it already has the circle for us. Obviously, we can see that the yellow has more than the red, but we also know that 4 is greater than 3, right? All right. So we are going to grab some crayons. And we are going to color in to show the categories. So we have yellow. And we have red. All right, then it wants to know how many we have of each. So remember, we're not counting the counter outside the graph. So for yellow, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow counters. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red counters. Then it says circle the category that has more counters on the graph. So which has more, yellow or red? Yeah, the yellow. We can tell one just from looking. We can see that the yellow has more. But we also know that 5 is greater than 4. Okay. Same thing with this one. We are going to color our categories again. For me, you can color them in whatever order you would like. But for me, personally, I like to color them kind of in order as I go down. So like if you look at the one that we just did, it went yellow and then red. So I usually will then color yellow, then red. This one goes red, then yellow. So I will usually color red, then yellow, just to keep things consistent and easy for me to keep track of what I'm trying to do. Okay, how many red ones? Remember, we're not counting this one. It's not in the graph. 1, 2, 3 red ones. And how many yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now which one? Circle the category that has fewer counters on the graph. Fewer means less, less means smaller. So which one has a smaller amount of counters? Yeah, the red one. Okay, last page. Okay, so you're gonna need a red crayon and a blue crayon for this. All it says is that there are more blue cubes than red cubes. So you can put whatever one you want first. Just keep it consistent. So if the blue is on top, do the blue first over here. If the red is on top, color the red first right here. Make it easier for yourself to get through the problem without getting confused by something silly like which color the cubes are. Okay, then it says to draw in color to show the cubes on the graph. So remember, there are more blue cubes than red cubes. So you could do this a lot of different ways. If I'm gonna color these in, okay, you could just do it like this. There are more blue than there are red. Or you could keep going. Do I have more blue than I have red right now? No, I do not. So I need to add some more blue. Okay, that's where I'm gonna leave it. You can do as few or as many as you would like for each category, as long as there are more blue ones than red ones. And there cannot be 0 red ones. Okay, there has to be at least 1. Alright, so how many blue ones do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 4 blue ones. And 1, 2, 3 red ones. So there is the graph that I chose to do. You can do as many as you want for each, as long as there are more blue ones than there are red ones. All right, friends, we only have 2 more math lessons left. Can you believe it? And then we have finished all of the math. I'm so proud of you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for our next lesson. Bye-bye.